Hello guys, you are Yamin. We are coming to the new Python topics. Let's go to the programming bean. Let's go to the programming. How to create project. Let's begin to the beginner programming. Open the Python and go to the file menu. Then our new project. You can give the project name Python student. It is a Python project name and enter the create button. Then is a window. This window. This one is a Python student names are project. Right click then a new. Go to the file and Python files. Files name first pp programming dot py. Dot py is a programming directory. It's x Python programming print x say press c plus 10. No, sorry. Go to the file menu and run. Select to the directory of the run file. First pp. This one is the coming to the output. Ex- Extract only the Python. Always upper bound will be executed. 0 to 6. Press C plus 10 and it's coming to the output. Shift plus 10. This one. Then print x. Say 1 to 11. Correct. Print out. Print output 11. So shift F10. That one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 one is a space. So that is a print of the uh, after then is giving to the prog. It is 7 to 11 characters. It's a prog between the prog. 7 to 11 character between prog. Print 11 to 7. Just uh, just opposite. Print x 11 to 7. That one is does not print out. I think this space and as well. That one does not print. Is extract program using negative index means by -7 to -3. That's okay. It's coming to the ogra. This one, ogra. 7 minus 7 minus 3. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Then as a ogra. It's a opposite. Same thing is a right. Print print 7 to 14. Correct. September. That one is a program in 7 to 6. That one is 7. Then are coming to the print out. Print X space. Go to the same output. Not change. Sorry. Stop this by mistake. Press 9. That is coming to the same thing is coming to the print X space 6 infinite to 6. Then our print is Python. Again thing print X nothing space another then also then also everything is every character is a print out. Then same thing in X. So that is coming. Same thing. Print X 0 to infinite. 0 to then our print same thing. Again same thing. Print out. Different types are print, but output is coming to the same. Print X minus 7 to plus 11. That one is different thing. 7 to 11 correct. Minus 7 to 11 correct. That's G. And file sequence. pp dot by using on the float character x equal to 4.5, that is a floating print x. Say go to the menu bar, select the file, run, select the file name second pp, that one is a floating ins by output 4.5 print types of float which are uh, types are output. So x and again color is that's is a class is a floating, it's showing up. Then go to the print, enter the print, write down id is floating, it is a floating id. Sign on, say 10, that is a floating. 4.5 is a id. Was equal to different, it was a string variable. But how to a string float on to now? So just one print, then one, go to the sun, it's Python, then print types, which are types to the using on the class variable. So then so, so there is a showing on the class is a string variable. Then again id print using id. What is the id of a string variable means by y. Y's id. What is the y's id? Y run by mistake press on the that's that is it. And that is a Python y's id name, string's id name. Print length. What is the length of the voice variables name? Variables length. None is that is a 6 character. How to second number character? What is the second number character? How do you perform the output? So one, okay, two. Second character, find out what is the second characters, that one is t. T is the second character of a string variable. Print y is minus 3 character, minus 3, sorry, minus 3, that one is h. uh, Concatenation, that one the from programming that print programming about how to print to the both of string variable at a time. Y then plus Z. That one is a Python programming. Python is this one and Z is this one. Both are the at a time print output. It's a space, then Python a space programming. Without space, how to create? Print print y plus z. That is that's one is using on the both without space on the output Python programming. That's one. Without space, both are x and y both are is the output coming to the Python programmer without space. This one is